Good Friday morning. A cold front moved through overnight, and that's going to result in a much cooler day. In fact, we're going to see a high temperature 20 degrees lower than what we saw on Thursday. So hopefully you enjoyed the warmer weather the last 2 days. You can see the cold front sitting over the area just south of us now. And now we are just seeing that north wind just flowing in across the area, bringing in that Canadian air mass. We do have high pressure that's going to be approaching us from the northwest, and that's going to ensure a dry weekend. So if you have any plans this weekend, we are expecting lots of sunshine. But temperature-wise, the first part of the weekend, definitely going to be on that cooler side here. Those numbers feeling more like November across the area. So we have this dip in the jet stream right now. Big storm that's actually sitting here over the North Pacific, and this kind of helps just the jet stream here. It allows for a nice ridge across western Canada. And then on the downstream side of that, you get the opposite effect. So it's warmer in western Canada than us right now. And then for us, we've got that little dislodging of the cold air here as that ridge just kind of bumps up here towards the Arctic regions. It just helps to dislodge that cold air. So that's kind of why we're seeing that dip in the jet stream, all thanks to a storm in the Pacific Ocean right now, just kind of allowing that jet stream to have some dips and ridges in it here. So looking at our temperatures this morning, we could see the numbers starting to fall. You know, it's been pretty mild much of the night, but we're going to see numbers start to fall in the 40s for the morning hours today. You can see temperatures in the 30s in northern Michigan. We see the 20s here. In fact, we're ending the growing season this morning for much of the northern plains there in the Dakotas. And there's a chance tomorrow morning there could be some spots in our area actually get down into the 20s. So we are looking at the possibility that the growing season may be deemed and coming to an end here for tonight. So temperatures today are not going to be very warm at all. We're talking about temperatures in the 40s there at 8 o'clock. And then we're going to see 50s this afternoon. We'll have some sunshine at times. We'll have a good bit of those stratocumulus clouds. Very, very common in the fall season because you get that north flow over the Great Lakes. The lakes are still warm. That picks up moisture. And you get those clouds as a result with those north winds in the fall across the Great Lakes. So tonight we're going to lose the cloud cover. The high pressure I talked about, well, that high pressure is going to allow us to clear out, and that's going to set the stage here for a cold night with a freeze watch for the entire area. What that means for you is if you've got sensitive plants that you want to last a little bit longer, bring them inside if you can, and if that's not possible, cover them up because temperatures in many spots near freezing tonight. Tomorrow, though, we're going to see a lot more sunshine. It's going to be that cold start. We're going to see temperatures around 50 by midday. Those highs on Saturday afternoon, mid to upper 50s. Again, at least the sun will be shining and we won't have as much of a breeze to contend with tomorrow. So it actually won't be too bad. Just have the jacket around tomorrow afternoon. But then look at Sunday. We bounce back to 65. So Sunday's going to be a nice day. It'll be a frosty start, but we're going to have a nice finish on Sunday. And then temperatures rebound continues. That rebound continues next week, 73 by Tuesday. And then we see our next front come in Wednesday with showers, another cool down for the late part of the week.